Hello, I'm John Selberg. I serve as the fire chief and emergency manager for the city of Germantown. I wanted to give you a brief update on our activities to address the COVID-19 situation. As you may have heard, our city emergency management team continues to meet daily to coordinate our efforts. We're also part of the countywide COVID-19 task force that is doing a nice job coordinating between all of the local governments. We're also staying in touch with our business community and churches. They're being hit hard by this, and we want to do what we can to support them. While City Hall is restricted to most visitors, we want to let you know that the city is taking all measures to continue service to our community and help you get through this. Additional information about COVID-19 activities can be found on the city's website. Our fire, ambulance, police, and public works personnel continue to provide full services. Of course, you will see them wearing masks when they're out in contact with the public. Our firefighters on the ambulances will be taking extra precautions, as well as placing a mask on patients to provide protection to them. We continue to work closely with our medical director on procedures to address these new challenges. We also stay in close touch with our senior housing facilities as they are of high concern to us. I know it is tough not getting to visit your relatives in these facilities, but it's critical that we do everything we can to protect them. We have seen a fair bit of COVID-19 related medical calls in Germantown, but fortunately, it hasn't been too much to get beyond our current capacity. Some current projections are for the peak to be around mid to late April. This is also based upon continued social distancing, as we are currently doing. We are coordinating closely with the hospitals on our preparations for the surge when the call load will reach its peak. To help with this surge, there are plans to provide alternate care facilities in the county, along with a temporary overflow emergency department. Like other governments, Germantown has issued executive orders to encourage people to remain at home if they don't have essential business outside of the home. This is how we will keep this virus in check and assure that the number of people infected can be handled by our healthcare system. While the safer at home order affects all of us, it is necessary to limit the spread of this virus. I'm proud how our community has stepped up to follow this directive. In accordance with the CDC's guidelines for cover your face, we recommend people stay at least 6 feet away from other people. When that isn't possible, you should be wearing something over your face, even a cotton mask, or maybe a fancy bedazzled one like my daughter made for me. Of course, higher levels of masks should be used when around higher risks, such as sick people. Although many people experience mild symptoms with this virus, older persons and those with compromised health can be hit very hard. Remember, it's not always about you getting infected, but rather who you could infect. This could be a friend or family member that could be seriously challenged by this virus if they become infected. This will continue to be a challenging time for all of us, but if we work together, we can get through this with the least impact, loss of lives. Thank you for helping.